Why did God test people? You might be wondering, why didn't God stop Adam and Eve from eating the forbidden fruit? God could have stopped them from eating the fruit, but it was important for people to have free will. If God stopped every disobedience from happening, then people will no longer be free. In fact, one of the reasons why the forbidden fruit was created was so that people would have the freedom to obey or not. God wanted a meaningful relationship with people that was based upon love and trust. Authentic relationship and love could not exist without the freedom to choose. For example, a robot can be programmed to say, "I love you," but it's not a sincere love because they have no choice. On the other hand, animals can show love and affection to their owner, but God's desire was that people would rule over the creation like himself, and animals don't have a rational mind that is capable of ruling the world. Because people have been given a rational mind to make moral judgments, they are fully responsible for their actions. God is grieved when people fail to obey and is saddened by all the injustices in the world. We all have decided to go our own way, independent of God. God takes no pleasure in punishing his people he created, but allows suffering so that we would change our selfish ways. We are like children who need to grow and be trained in order to become responsible adults. We have the responsibility to do right, and in this way, we are being tested. If we would love and obey God, then we can pass the test and qualify to rule with God and enjoy a peaceful relationship with God. Tragically, we all, along with the first man, Adam, have failed. But in the future stories, we will see a man who passed the test perfectly and is qualified to rule the whole earth. It is he who becomes our example of what it's like to live with perfect love and obedience.